A lot of folks have been asking us how we come up with the recipes for our ice creams. I'm Adrienne of Adventures of Carly-Ann, and today's adventure takes us to the kitchen making more ice cream. Speaking of videos, we've linked our entire ice cream playlist in the description below. To start, you need a base, and we've already done all the testing for you on our best base video here. We loved the Philly French style because it has this rich creamy texture, but not a distinct flavor itself, making a great starting point. The Philly French style has pasteurized eggs, sugar, heavy cream, whole milk, and salt. From there, we build our flavor. With fruit flavors, we like to start with 9 ounces fresh or cooked fruit. If you've got fruit powders, we like to start between 15 to 20 grams. Coffee, tea, spices, or even herbs, we infuse them by steeping them in the milk and cream. Also consider grinding or crushing for better extraction. Decadent flavors like caramel can be created by cooking the sugar or using different kinds of sugar for your base. And lastly, there's a whole world of mix-ins that you can just fold into your ice cream right after churning. When experimenting, we like to start with a half recipe and just pick a starting point. Then make an extra batch for whatever variables you're testing. It's important to taste often when you're making the liquid base, right before and after churning, and after a whole day frozen. Time will be your friend. Allow your base to steep and the flavors to marry at least overnight before churning. One of our popular flavors is salted caramel ice cream. Happy churning!